This is the best goddamn cookie I've ever made in my life. And I didn't even bake it. Welcome to the world of plant-based cooking with real ingredients. This is a raw granola cookie for you, for the kids, for everybody in the whole wide world. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, all right? Don't muck around, push the bell. We bring out the wisdom. We have beautiful healers that come into this incredible space where we get to eat. And I show you recipes that serve your ultimate health in your organs. They're really fucking good. So here's a little bit of a situation. We're going to try and get... It's a little bit of a situation. You're going to read me the recipe from over there. Go. What do I need?
Coconut flour, 1 cup.
Coconut flour. Now let's just work out where the hell that is right now. Here, 1 cup. Rightio, rightio. I'm glad somebody put this in there because I tell you what, I can't... Oh, that smells so good. Have you smelled that before?
Oh my God.
Isn't that amazing?
It's really good.
It's really good. Coconut flour is just incredible. There's something about it. Anyway, this is from Indonesia, so it's delicious. Where we all live. Okay, what else do I need? Lovely, lovely.
Half a cup of nut butter.
This is Gungun's favorite. He licked that Vitamix, didn't he? When I made this peanut butter from scratch. He was like, I'm all up in there. And then I gave you a jar. Have you still got it, Gungun?
Yeah.
Or did you finish it already?
No, half.
Half?
Last night.
Oh my God, you ate half a jar last night. Gungun. I know I need vanilla and maple, right?
Absolutely.
Do I need, okay, I'm going to put half a cup of maple in first. And this is why. Watch my trick. Are you ready, Dee?
Sure.
It's going to blow your mind. I've still got a little bit of maple in there, right? It's like acting like a little bit of a seal. And I need half a cup of nut butter, is that right?
Yeah, that's correct.
I'm so glad we made this. It's really come a long way, hasn't it? Now watch how this is just going to slip out. Ready? 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 See?
Oh, it's not sticking.
No, because I put the maple in first. It's because I'm a genius.
You are.
Mm-hmm.
And then half a teaspoon of vanilla.
Oh, that is good. That is good peanut butter. Cinnamon. I'm going to do a little shake on the cinnamon, yeah?
It's flying everywhere.
Is that enough?
That's enough. Chocolate chips
Oh, yeah.
and pumpkin seeds.
Oh, pumpkin seed. Let's do that first because we have them here. What else?
Sunflower seeds.
It's like half a cup or something, or just whatever, hey?
Just put whatever.
Yep,
As much as you
yep.
want. Dried fruit.
So I've got some currants, but you can use anything. Anything you want. I'm going to use currants today. I've got about a cup. Anything else?
A pinch of salt and some chocolate chips.
Okay. And I want to put some oats in there too, because I want to make it really granola-y. So I'm going to put like, I reckon, a cup of oats. Don't forget that. I'm adding to the recipe. Salt. Definitely salt. Building blocks of flavour. It's just going to bring all that flavour out. And that's a point actually when you're making homemade nut butters. Adding salt to it, to your nut butter, is really incredible because it just brings out so much flavour, you know. Okay, in my cooking classes, which are incredible, they're online, have a look at my website. We make nut butters. It's amazing. Chocolate chip. I have the best chocolate in the whole world. You can use whatever chocolate you like. I like to use dairy-free and white sugar-free chocolate. That's my gig. And I like a lot of it, and I don't even think that's enough. That's my gig, okay? So this is a brand called Pod. It's from Indonesia. It's amazing. I love it. If you're in other countries around the world, I look for, when I'm in other countries around the world, I look for dairy-free, so no dairy, and white sugar-free. And this one is sweetened with coconut sugar. And I'm going to dump it into here. I just feel like putting white chocolate in there too, to be honest. I mean, really, should I? Is that a bit much because of that maple syrup? And I don't know. This is the thing, right? This is the thing with having a well-stocked kitchen. Is you get to play. This is white chocolate, and it is sweetened with coconut nectar and made with no dairy. Look at it. Do we need some coconut in there? Do we have any coconut? I think we should put coconut in there. Where's the coconut flakes? We had some, right? Oh, here they are. Bring on the glory, I say. Nature gets it right every time. Oh, I hope this works. Okay, I'm going to blend this, and I want them to be able to hold, right? I'm not baking them. I just want to blend them, and I want them to be able to come together. That's what I'm after. I'm going to taste as we go. In other words, have a little bit of blend, stop, taste to see where we're at sweetness-wise. Time to taste here, Dee. Come and taste this. I'll tell you what we need.
I need more. That's really good.
That's freaking awesome, isn't it? We need to get it to stick together. Mm-hmm. And so tahini is really good for that, actually. If I have some, yes I do. God, I'm scraping the bottom of the barrel here, mate. The good old tahini, Jesus. We got some more tahini. Just little things like this, having them in your cupboard, you know. And this is what I do with my beautiful students that come through, right? And they come through the classes, and then we're in this really private Facebook group that no one's allowed in. And we talk to each other, and we navigate our beautiful day and our life, you know, of living a high plant-based life. Not about being vegan or vegetarian, not interested. I'm interested in mums and dads at home, you know, working 12 hours a bloody day, coming home to nourish their families, and just amping up the plant in the world and having yummy stuff like this, you know, and swapping out the chocolate and things like that. This is where it's at. Okay, so blending again. Okay. Making sure it's holding together well, because I want a nice cookie, okay? So now, I just want to eat this. Oh my God. So now what I want to do, I'm going to make them all the same size. So I'm going to do that with my scales. Gungun, you're going to flip your camera when you taste this, dude. Yeah. You are. This is the best thing we've ever made. And they're not falling apart, you know, like, you know what I mean? And if they do fall apart, add a bit more tahini in there or maple syrup to bind it together, okay? Not water. Water will make things off. It's that simple. So I'm going to scoop out, I want all the same size. And I think I want 30 grams of cookie. Get it? And then you're going to do this. Squish it really well. You don't have to put it into a cookie form. You can make it into a ball, but I want this cookie shape. I just want little ones. I don't want big, huge, giant cookies, you know. I'm going to sit here on this chair and I'm going to do this. It's going to take me 20 minutes and you're going to help me. Okay. So we've been sitting here discussing the deliciousness of the world and eating these amazing cookies. Gungun, see what I did? I melted some white chocolate, right? And I melted some dark, just over hot water, yeah? And you don't let it boil for too long when you're melting chocolate. That's the thing with really good chocolate, right? You bring the water to the boil, you put the pot on top, a double boiler or a bain-marie or whatever, then you turn your stove off. That's it. You don't boil away trying to melt it like, you know, a freak. Oh, yeah. That's cool, hey? I just want to do this. I want to put some white, some dark. I love this chocolate. It's the best. There's really great other, you know, white chocolate out there. Like in Australia, there's a brand called Loving Earth. I think that's really cool. And Conscious Chocolate, it's amazing. And this has been produced, it's got sunflower lecithin, is that how you say it? Coconut, see it's not white, it's got coconut nectar in it, and it's got cashews in it, and it's got coconut powder in it, and cacao. It's amazing. Amazing. I'm going to do this, and then we're going to put them in the fridge, and after they set in the fridge, I'm going to put them in a cookie jar and keep them in the fridge. And see how all the chocolate broke down? See all the little pieces from the food processor? I like that. If you can't get chocolate drops, just use a bar of chocolate and snap it up and put it in the food processor. All right, that's it. I'm just rambling now. Goodbye. Till next time.